Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rinsky. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy 20th birthday. O sa 20th birthday mo, we wanted to remind you how much we love you. We, your friends, imong family, si Prince, and most especially si Lord. We wanted you to know na you are very special sa among kinabuhi. And Rensky, karon na 20 years old na ka, you're becoming more mature, you're growing, and God is smiling at you right now. Even though na great nga challenge na moabot, don't forget to pray. And even though wala mi physically dira sa imong tapad, we are there in prayers and always thinking about kung kamusta na ka. And I wanted you to know na dili jud ka bawala sa among prayers. Densky, thank you for fulfilling your purpose sa akong kinabuhi. For more than 10 years ka nakailati ka, I would not exchange anything in this world to experience with you. I love you. Happy birthday again.